Hey everyone and welcome back to Crypto Scores. Today we are diving into the community score, one of the 6 category scores that make up a project's overall rating on the platform. This score tells you how strong, active and credible a project's community is. It's built from multiple indicators: follower count, follower growth, posting activity, audience quality, social and market rankings, trust scores and more, all combined into one single number. Let's see how it works and how you can use it. So what is the community score? It takes all the individual community metrics tracked on Crypto Scores and combines them into one score. Follower count on X, follower growth over 7 days, 30 days, 90 days and 1 year when the projects last tweeted, the quality of the audience through the Twitter score, the Luna Crush rankings for social and market performance, the Skynet Trust score, all of that feeds into one number. Instead of checking each indicator one by one, you get an instant read on the overall health of a project's community. How big is it? How active is it? How engaged is it? How credible is it? And how is it evolving over time? And this is what makes it so useful in your research process. You don't always have time to check every single indicator for every project you are evaluating, so the community score gives you a first filter. A high score tells you this project has a strong, active, credible community across multiple dimensions. A low score tells you something is lagging and you should dig into the individual metrics to understand where the weakness is. It doesn't clearly replace your own analysis, but it tells you where to spend your time. If a project scores well on community, you can move on to the other categories with more confidence. If it scores poorly, you know to investigate before going any further. And here's where it gets really practical. On the main dashboard, as you can see on my screen, you can sort all 7,500 plus projects by their community score, from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. In one click, you can see which projects have the strongest communities in the entire crypto space and which ones are at the bottom. This is a powerful way to discover projects you might not have heard of. Sort by community score, scroll through the top results, and you might find a project with an incredible community that's not on your radar yet. But it goes even further. Crypto Scores gives you advanced filters specifically for the community category. As you can see over there, you can filter by community score percentage. For example, only show projects scoring above 70%. You can filter by X follower count, only show projects with more than 100,000 followers or less than 10,000 if you're looking for early stage games. And you can filter too by follower growth, X followers, 7-day change and 30-day change. Want to find projects whose community is growing fast right now? Set a minimum 7-day growth percentage. Want to avoid projects losing followers? Set the 30-day change to only show positive values. You can combine all of these filters at the same time. Community score above 60%, more than 50,000 followers, positive 7-day and 30-day growth. Suddenly, you've gone from 7,500 projects to a focused shortlist of the ones that match your exact criteria. As you can see over there, only one-on-one result. So, how should you use the community score in your investment process? Think of it as your entry point to understanding a project's social presence. The score gives you the overview, the filters help you find what you're looking for. And when something catches your eye, you dive into the individual metrics to get the full story. And as always, you are the analyst. Crypto Scores organizes the data, gives you the scores and lets you filter across thousands of projects. But the final call is always yours. The community score, one number that tells you how strong a project's community really is, and with the filters, you can scan the entire market in seconds. Check it all on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.